We're at Mare Bleue Bog in Canada's capital. Peat bogs absorb CO2 emissions. This little machine is measuring the carbon dioxide in the air. McGill professor Nigel Roulet is working with a group of academics to measure how much.
Peat bogs like Mare Bleue function as carbon sinks, cooling and cleaning our environment. Canadian bogs capture CO2 equal to what 1 to 2 million Canadians emit annually. Approximately 1/3 of the world's bogs are in Canada.
This isn't the only study happening at Mare Bleue. Professor Roulet.
Mare Bleue is one of the most published peatlands in the world. It is a real treasure to have an undisturbed ecosystem next to an urban center.
There's constant pressure to harvest bogs for peat moss and then develop the land. 50 years ago, we almost lost Mare Bleue. That's when we resisted a plan to turn Mare Bleue into a dump. Instead, the National Capital Commission started to buy and preserve this peatland as a place for research and recreation. Mare Bleue is home to all sorts of rare organisms, like carnivorous plants that eat bugs, and some very shy endangered turtles. Ecologist Dan Brunton.
The pitcher plant has spectacular big leaves with colored veins and hairs, and it even emits an animal smell, all to attract bugs. And there's also the sundew. Inside its spiky leaves is a dab of liquid that works like a glue. When the leaves close over the insect, the enzymes in the glue digest the bug.
Mare Bleue is close to downtown Ottawa. In just a few minutes, this peat bog allows us to time travel to an ecosystem that is 8,000 years old.
It's a great thing that the National Capital Commission continues to preserve this bog. There's nothing like the Mare Bleue around, and I think we should brag about that a little more.
Experience an internationally recognized ecosystem. Visit and discover this treasure for yourself.